Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. You know I'm back. I have this 2019 Subaru Forester. And I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. And also, after I do the oil change, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. How to do the oil life reset in this 2019 Subaru Forester. Alright. Also, I have videos of previous years in this Subaru Forester. I have Forester, I have Legacy, I have all that. Just check it out in my channel. But like I said, I'm gonna put it on top of. I'm gonna put the link on top of this video, so you can check that out, and we go from there. All right. Now, before I go to the how to do the oil change, please don't forget to subscribe. Bang that subscribe button. Destroy the like button. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. I hope you like the video. Enjoy. Well, I'm back. How you like the video of how to do the oil change in this 2019 Subaru Forester with 2.5 liter Boxer engine. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset real quick. All right. So all you're gonna do is nothing with this guy, nothing with the cluster, nothing with this guy. Everything's gonna be through here with this. Okay. So you're gonna press the info button. You're gonna see all of those things going down, whatever. When you're gonna get there, it says push and hold the info button, which is this. Push it and hold it, press it and hold it, whatever. Now you're gonna see that. Scroll down. Okay. Now you're gonna scroll down with this, guys. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. Scroll down. Now go maintenance. Once you're there, press this one. Now it tells you engine oil, oil filter, tires, maintenance schedule. Let's do the engine oil. Click in. Let's say it says remaining 1,000 miles. So you just scroll down with this guy, scroll down, go to update, and click this one, set. Now it's gonna setting complete. It's gonna reset it to 60,000 miles, 5,000 miles, whatever you have a reset. Okay, and it's gonna be the same for all this, for the oil filter. Okay. See, I'm gonna show you. It says remaining 3,979 miles, right? You just go down, go update, and press set. Press this one right here. Okay, press it, and it's gonna reset it. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2019 Subaru Forester with a 2.5 liter engine Boxster. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bang that subscribe button, bang it, and destroy the like button. Destroy it, and don't forget to put the feedback in the comment box for me. Alright, so I can make this channel better for you all. Alright, so more or less, I catch you up later. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I catch you up in the next one. Holla at your boy. Astuo, Burum, Meow.